Cleaning and lubricating subcon connectors. Unscrew the locking sleeves. Disconnect the connectors by jacking them gently from side to side and pulling carefully. All connectors on the ROV must be included in the service. Dry off any old Molykote 44 and dirt. Spray the connectors with cleaning spray and blow with compressed air. Lubricate each pin on the male connector. Use the same amount of Molykote 44 as the metal of each pin. Replace the connector once and disconnect. Use a finger to fill the female pinholes with the rest of the lubricant from the female connector end surface. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Do this with all connectors. Make sure that all the connectors are in their right places and secured by locking sleeves and fastening strips. Power up the ROV system and test all functions.